Nice. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We're gonna make you a nice, lovely lemon tea today. Keep you up to date with the lemon tea. Anyway, a cup of water. And what we're going to do is get some lemon. Few slices of lemon straight inside of the water. Then we're going to just put it to the boil. Now take no long for boil. Very quickly, easy and simple to put it to the boil. Alright? Nice. So I just put it to the boil, and all I'm going to do now, I have a few cloves of garlic, so I'm gonna put 4 cloves of garlic inside of the water like that. So we're gonna make a nice lovely lemon garlic tea. Really fantastic, you know what I mean, in the cold winter. So enjoy the recipe, guys, and please keep your body up to date with some good recipe like this. Stay tuned. Yes, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Alright, so what we're going to do, turn off the stove. I've been boiling this for about 10 minutes now. Yeah, looking very nice and healthy and good. Look at that. That's exactly what you're looking for. It's just a simple little recipe for the fountain to drink in the evening when you come from work and stress out and have a tired day. You do something like this. Alright, guys, so let's go into business over here. Nice. So we have a spoon right here. Now, use a little bit of honey in it because of the garlic and all them things there. Little bit of honey, not too much. Garlic, lemon, and garlic. Sweeten it, drink it, taste it, lovely. Look at that, beautiful one. Anyway, drink this 5 mornings straight and see some results from it. Alright, guys, I did it on my other YouTube channel, and I love to share things and share my ideas. Keep the fans up to date. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my Instagram, and that is a lovely garlic and lemon tea. So enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.